Dear friends, I am Dr. M.L. Kalra, a physician from South Delhi. Today, 23rd of February 2021, I am making yet another video for my friends, for my patients, and for masses to understand what is the right gap between the first dose of Covishield and the second dose. Ever since the Covishield was launched, there were some controversies about the gap between first and the second dose. Based on some studies in different parts of the world, including the one conducted in Britain, they found in one study that if the gap between the first and second dose of Covishield, the Oxford also is the same, they found that the antibody titer was better, and they, in a makeshift arrangement, changed their policy from 4 weeks gap to 8 to 12 weeks gap in some of the countries like Britain. So very recently, there have been so many opinions given by experts, including the one from Dr. Randeep Guleria, the director of AIIMS Delhi, to a reputed TV channel. In the newspaper, so many experts have given their opinion, and to the extent that there was recently a meeting of experts from all over, including those who are involved in making the vaccine and those who are guiding the government, the technical advisory committee to the government and other experts, to arrive at a consensus, if not unanimous. So it was found that not everyone was having the same opinion, but in democracy we go by majority. Majority of the experts agreed that as of now, based on the data available, the one which was circulated in Lancet also, there is no need to change our policy from the gap of 4 weeks to 8 or 12 weeks, because there are some fears involved. One fear is that by doing so, we may invite another spike at a larger magnitude. Second fear was development of more mutant strains, which we are already bothered with present 2 or 3 mutations already there. So, very recently, this has been put on, say, hold to change any policy. So, status quo maintained. 4-week gap from first dose to the second dose of Covishield is now agreed upon by majority. There is another school of thought also, that after 3 weeks of the first dose, if you test the neutralizing antibody titer, then you can decide scientifically whether the second dose should be given at 4th week, or you can extend from 4 to 8 or even up to 12 weeks. If the titer of neutralizing antibodies is found satisfactory at 3 weeks interval, then you can very easily extend the gap from 4 weeks to up to 12 weeks. But if the neutralizing antibody titer is less than satisfactory at 3 weeks of the first dose, then you have to take the second dose at 4 weeks. Since this new experiment or say new idea is costly idea, the cost of vaccine itself is hardly 200 to 300 to the government, but the cost of testing the neutralizing antibody titer, which to masses presently it is 4,000 per test. So it will be a huge burden, and it's not advisable to test neutralizing antibodies for everyone after 3 weeks. Hence, it has been decided by consensus that now no need to change. The gap remains 4 weeks from the first dose for the second dose. There are possibilities with ongoing studies. Even Max Hospital is also having its own study for the immunogenicity of the first dose and the second dose. Maybe with larger data, with larger numbers. We may have some changes in the policy, but as of now, there is no change. So I think this confusion should now be put into cold storage. Second dose after 4 weeks. No change. Thank you.